Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be trying out this makeup brush cleaner that I bought on Amazon, and my brushes are looking a little dirty. Shout out to Stacy for sending me a coupon code for this. You're the bomb. Really excited to try it. So let's get started. Okay, first off, let's address a few things. I realize that I haven't posted in a while. I think it's been almost 3 weeks since I posted, or maybe closer to a month. I'm not really sure, but I'm back. I just haven't really felt like filming anything, and I have a life, so that's the tea. The next thing is, yes, my hair is purple. It was an accident, but I actually like it, so guess what? I'm probably gonna keep it. Next thing is the makeup brush cleaner. This is what it looks like. These are the parts it comes with, and it's supposed to not ruin your brushes. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, upon opening it up, this is all the stuff that it has inside. All right, user manual. I realize that I look like shit. I have no makeup on today. It's my only day off for the week. Well, that's not true because I was off Sunday too, but that's like me and Tim's day, you know what I mean? So this is my only day off this week and I'm gonna enjoy it. So I don't care what you think. All right. So that's in German. I can't read German. I wish I could. All right, who needs instructions? I'm over this. So I think they already put, no, they didn't. It's that weird material that's like soft. I love it, it's great. What is this for? Okay, they lied to me. There's no batteries. And I don't know if I have AAA, so this video might be off. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna take a short intermission and we will be back hopefully with AAA batteries. All right, I am back. I've got batteries. Ooh. Ooh. The next thing it says here is fill this guy with some cleanser and some warm water. It is filled. I'm gonna put it right here. And actually I'm going to like put you down like this so you can actually see me. So let's go ahead and clean this bad boy. Okay, so let's find the collar that fits. Definitely not that one. Maybe this one? Question mark. Ooh! All right, here we go. Ew, guys. This is weird. All right. Eek. Ooh. Well, that looks nice and clean. Let's see. Yep, there's absolutely nothing coming off of the brush. So nice and clean, y'all. That's crazy. And it's not even still like crazy wet. It's like actually dry enough to where you could still use it, you know, like right away. Whoa, it feels so good. Wow. Moving on to the next one. Let's use this like little kabuki brush. Oh God, it's like gonna fall apart. Okay, well, I'm thinking that this one is gonna fall apart. Let's see. Yeah, not too bad. Let's get to dunking. All right. Oh! Oh my God. Again, a nice clean brush. My bristles don't seem like they were damaged at all. It seems like it's working really well. Nice and soft, no makeup coming off. Sweet, all right. We're gonna skip that one because we've already done one that was like that. So now let's move on to like a little highlighter brush. And of course, there's no sleeves that are gonna fit it because it's too skinny. Well, poopy. I don't think that that's gonna work, guys. If you have small brushes, maybe not gonna work for you. I don't know, let's try it anyway, right? Oh shit. Woo, it's coming out. Good enough. Oh my God, that cleaned it so... Wow, that cleaned it so well. Damn. New highlighting brush, who dis? What the fuck? Moving on to this one. It looks like I'm making a soup of some sort. Well, would y'all look at that?
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah. And I am Jasmine Masters, and I have something to say. I just love that video. Sue me. All right, here's another really gross eyeshadow brush. Let's go ahead and do that one. Aw, it's like not even making anything. It's so little. Whoop, 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 whoop. These brushes, by the way, oh, there's a little bit of residue. Maybe I didn't wash it that long. It's okay, still clean. These brushes are literally like the best cheap brushes I've ever purchased. Okay, let's do something fun. Let's do like something like this to where it's like super green and see if it works, okay? Okay. Beep, beep. That green in that palette is really pigmented and it has been known to stain. Although I do see a little bit of that green coming off, but it's not a whole lot, let me just tell you. So don't get your hopes up if you're using pressed pigments. It's probably not gonna come out of your brush, and that's okay, especially if you have white bristles. Yeah, girl, it's not gonna come out. So it's all good. At least it cleaned it a little bit. It like turned it yellow, so that's interesting. Let's dry it a little bit. Still coming off on the paper towel. It changed the color almost completely. A little bit of yellow pigment still left on there, but it's all good. Okay, so now let's try like a flat, fluffy brush, if that makes sense. Let's give that a go. And let's give it a go. So satisfying. Very nice. Hi, Leia.
Leia.
Hi. Say hello to everyone on camera. What is this in your hair? That's a spider. Oh my God, it's a fucking spider. I will say, these are synthetic bristles. If you have real hair, this probably isn't gonna work for you just because the shedding on a real hair brush is a lot different than synthetic bristles. I think that this is gonna be good. If you have synthetic brushes, this is perfect for you. If you don't, then I would be extremely careful because it is pretty powerful for being just like a little Amazon brush cleaner. But I'm gonna tell you, like, girl, it works. They look great. I am going to try my concealer brushes next, and maybe some blending brushes, and then we'll probably call it good. But other than that, like so far, I'm pretty dang impressed. Let's try, okay, this might be a little too loose. What about you? Dumbass, why did you do that? Stupid. Ah. Turn it off. Oh, I just got water all over everything. Oh, Alyssa, why? I'm just trying to dry it. Like, that was kind of scary, guys. It's because this one is not a perfectly rounded brush. It's like tapered, so it's a little different. I just got all my other brushes wet again, but it's okay because they're going to dry and it's going to be fine. And I just made a fucking mess. I don't know if you can see, but I made a heck of a mess. So anyways, let's go ahead and try my spoolie because it's pretty dingy, y'all. It's pretty dingy. So let's give that a try. Ooh, perfect. Okay. Wow, dude, that is so clean. Like, all right, well, that was interesting, fun, good times. Let's do the dirtiest concealer brush on the face of the earth. Don't know if it's gonna work for this one. Well, didn't necessarily work for that one. Maybe concealer brushes aren't the best. I mean, it's clean, don't get me wrong, it's clean, but like, it doesn't work like the shadow brushes do. So, sorry y'all, I've been drinking a lot of coffee and I really had to pee. Let's try this one. Probably not, of course. Okay, turn it off and then turn it on. Okay, I will say this brush cleaner does be having to like spray your brushes and then wash them in the sink and all that nonsense. Like, nobody has time for that, you know what I mean? So this is great. If you have like a shit ton of brushes and you need to clean them like all at once, girl, this is for you. This water is gross. I will say most of this is my bronzer, I'm sure. My bronzer brush, the first one that I use. It's probably mainly that. The shadows, I don't really feel like there's much shadow coming off. But then again, I don't really know. I don't really care. At least I know it's working. Let's do this one. It's a weird brush. It could go sideways. I'm real scared. Here we go. That was a dirty brush too. Woo! That was scary. It's moving the thing. Oh my God. Bring it out slowly. Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. All right. Ooh, look at you, fluffy guy. Cool. Dang, that's cleaner than shit. Wow, look how clean that is. Amazing. Wow. Let's do this nasty one. Let's see. I bet you this will not get clean. Yeehaw, we're off. Yeah, that one didn't really get as clean as I'd like. But I think we honestly might just have to throw this brush away. Next. This is very therapeutic. You know what I mean? Ooh, that one came out real clean. I can already tell. Oh, perfect. Oh man, that looks nice. All right, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cleaning my brushes later. I'm getting kind of tired. So yeah, I'm sure you don't want to see me boring you to death with cleaning the rest of my brushes. It's all the same. You get the deal. Look how dirty this thing is. That's nasty. Anyways, I'm so glad that you guys tuned into this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited that I actually got to sit down and film a video today. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mm.